Wagwan my YouTube family, season greetings. So today me decide say yo, me roast a chicken and me say yeah, me drop the video yeah, on my YouTube channel, you get me? So we not talk too much, we're gonna jump right into the intro and then we're gonna clean the chicken, we're gonna wash the chicken, you get me?
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Cut the rawness and we're gonna wash inside of the chicken with the lime and salt. See? We're not eating nothing out of the chicken, you see? Okay. So when you're doing this process, make sure you wash the chicken properly. Remember, you have to clean out inside, see? Alright guys, right now my chicken finished wash, clean as you could see. Well washed. I use some salt and fresh lemon as well, see. Over here, this is my chicken season. This is some fresh thyme I cut up. I'm keeping it real simple. The flavor, most of the flavor gonna in the sauce, the pineapple sauce. Over here, so I have some blend up season. I'm gonna add it inside of here, so everything. Then we're gonna add some red pepper flakes, some heat to it. Over here I have some garlic butter. I'm not ready for the garlic butter as yet. Now I add my dry season, powder season, everything. And this is like onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika and stuff like that. And Lorry season salt. So add some olive oil, as you could see. Rubbing this together. Now we're gonna rub some on the chicken. So now we're gonna coat down this chicken now, okay? You wanna make sure the season get underneath the skin. And we're gonna put this in the fridge for 2 hours before we cook it. Normally I do it overnight. I season it up from overnight, put it in the freezer and pull it out in the morning. But now we're just gonna do it fast and quick, 2 hours in the fridge, like you marinate. Yeah peeps, make sure the season go underneath the skin. See? Fully underneath. Alright, so this is the garlic butter I make. I'm gonna put out a video soon with the recipe for the garlic butter. So you're gonna put the garlic butter underneath the chicken skin. You get me? And I freeze it for it to be like this. Okay? You wanna put one inside. Stuck inside. Just like that, peeps. Look, it already looks so beautiful. So the rest of this one go inside. Okay, peeps. Alright, so now we're gonna put this in the fridge for 2 hours before we roast it in the oven. And we're gonna roast it in the oven for around 25 minutes at 400 degrees, okay? Alright guys, so we seal it with file wrap, file paper, or put it in the in the fridge for 2 hours. So see you in 2 hours time. Alright guys, so after 2 hours I pull my chicken out the fridge. Look at that. Okay, 2 hours out the fridge. So over here, so I have some carrots and potato. Over here I have some pimento berries. I have some fresh ginger. And I have some of my powdered chicken seasoning mixed up in water. Normally I used to use red stripe, but I'm not using red stripe beer for this recipe. I'm using this. As you could see, this is the season I use. Get me? This is my own season I make, okay? So I'm gonna add this into here. Just like that. Just like that, my peeps. I'm gonna add my pimento. Everything inside here. So this is this steam up the chicken, make the chicken nice. And this is also a flavor. Okay, so I grated the fresh ginger, okay? I use the vegetable grater to grate the ginger. Now I'm add my potato. And this chicken take around 25 minutes to cook at 400 degrees. I already have my oven preheated. Now I'm gonna add the chicken over here. And my people, you could get this tray off my Amazon storefront. Link is in my bio. So now we're gonna keep the wings in like that. Now we're gonna wrap them with some foil paper. So we're gonna wrap it with foil paper, make it steam for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we're gonna pull out the foil paper, and then we're gonna add our pineapple ginger glaze sauce to it to give it that beautiful color what we're looking for. It's like this, peeps. So wrap it like this for 2 hours. Wrap it like this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take off the cover. And remember, the oven gonna be at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So we're gonna pop it in. We're gonna put it in the oven, and then we're gonna start our sauce. We're gonna start to make our sauce, our pineapple ginger glaze sauce. Okay. I'm gonna pop it in the oven, just like that. Okay, now I'm about to start my glaze for my chicken. So now we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. The pan already hot. Saucepan already hot. Now we're gonna add some brown sugar. And this is like 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna add some lemon juice. Like 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Just like that. And this was from the season from the chicken. I'm gonna add it in here. Everything. We're gonna add like 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. tablespoon of soy sauce, like that. Over here, so I have some ginger. I grated the ginger with the vegetable grater, fresh ginger, some flavor. Here I have some ginger garlic puree. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon, just like that, peeps. Here I have some pineapple juice. Okay, so this is the pineapple. This is the brand I use. So I add the pineapple juice to it. Okay. And this is gonna be the glaze I brush on the chicken, okay? Now we're gonna add some honey. That is like 1/4 cup of honey. So my people, we're gonna allow this, make it boil, make it come to simmer. So my people, see, the sauce ready. Alright, now I'm gonna take out the file paper. Look at that, peeps. And every 15 minutes we're gonna coat it down with the sauce. So now this is when the pineapple come in. We're gonna place the pineapple on the chicken like this. Like that. Yeah, guys. So now I'm just gonna put it in the oven for 15 more minutes. And then that is it. Look at that. So guys, this is how my chicken look when it finish. It's pineapple ginger chicken. Look at that. So please remember to like, share and follow the channel.